It's absolutely not unusual to find yourself thinking, am I behind the AI curve? This wave has gone so fast and in so many directions, I don't know where to start. And that's why I authored the AI Authority course, really, to help bridge the gap between where many, many people are right now and get you those feet on the ladder, on the first rungs towards that wave that isn't too far away to catch. And it's also not about replacing your role. It's not about replacing you. For me, this whole course that I've written is around amplifying the skills that you already have. And rather than replacing you, allowing you to augment what you can do and just elevate that capacity, that productivity to new levels. So I'm going to give you an example, just one of them, as to how you can use some of the skills you'll learn in the course. And this particular one, I struggle a little bit with thinking alone. I think in a box sometimes. It's great to have AI as a thought partner. And I'll show you in this little short demo how you can use AI as a thought partner to allow you to unlock new thoughts, new ideas. And in this case, I'm going to get it to interview me. So this is a technique called the self-interview, and I've generated this using a piece of the course that we also provide called the virtual team. And in this case, the virtual team's given me a really fantastic prompt to encourage AI to interview me, to ask me questions about a particular topic. So I've spent some time crafting this, and you can find out how this gets created during the AI Authority course. But I've created it and it's now going to generate some questions. Now, what you'll see on screen next is my interpretation of AI asking me those questions. So just think about the process more than what you see on screen, the process of having AI interview you where you respond. But this two-way process is just one example of how AI can elevate your skills and take you to that new level.
John, after training over 18,000 professionals, you must have seen people struggle with AI courses. What specific pattern did you notice that led you to create something completely different?
So wow, straight in there at the deep end. The idea behind this course is not about technology specifically. It's about building confidence with a new tool. It's about having a mindset that's about amplifying what you can do, taking your own skills that we all have and boosting them. And we're going to show you in the course different tools, different capabilities that's just going to take different facets of you as a human being and allow you to do more in better ways. And it really does unlock a lot of thought processes, a lot of capabilities, versus just sitting there and learning how to write a prompt, for example, for no good reason. This is about in-context learning.
For someone thinking, I've failed at this before, what would you say to address that specific fear?
Well, that's quite an easy one. It's the same as all the work that we do at Collab 365. We think about the person who's learning. We think about the steps they want to take and not overwhelming people from the beginning. So this AI Authority course is about small steps. It's incremental. Every piece of it can be done in 3 to 5 minutes. You can take 10 to 15 minutes if you wish, but it's about incremental learning. And it's also about resonating with your very specific problems, which is far more likely to bind you to the course materials and get you to the end than it is if we just said, here's a very specific problem that you're going to solve and you don't resonate with that problem. So that's a small sample. Come back and watch part 2, 3, and 4 as I continue this conversation with AI.